Hello everyone, welcome once again to Investing with the Difference. So as we are launching our developer workshops, I wanted to highlight that what is the most important part about EOS community is all the people you see like ourselves in Investing with the Difference. If you talk about other people who are actually involved, they're all looking to learn and develop and change the way we believe the EOS applications will be built and the decentralized application will be built. So this is our workshop this Saturday, developer workshop on decentralized applications on blockchain data models using EOS.io. We have our Alexander Bourget from EOS Canada. We have EOS Blocksmith, Shaheen Counts giving a talk, and we do have Rose Ren from EOS Studio, which is a great tool. I think it was getting a lot of attention recently. It's making development so easy. So we are bringing all these great tools and workshops. And what got me excited, why I wanted to do this video is I got contacted by Colin. I think many of you are aware of him. He's very excited about EOS, and he is pretty famous on the YouTube, and many of you follow him. He's actually traveling all the way to San Francisco just to attend this workshop and interact and learn how to start developing on EOS. And this is very exciting. The reason is more I look at it on a day-to-day basis, everybody in this domain, people are not looking for speculation. People are like really seeing EOS as a game-changing blockchain where you need to develop, you need to learn how to build next level of application. So this is great. I really welcome Colin and all the people who are putting this effort. And this is, again, there's a lot of discussion going on these days about what's going on with EOS, whether it's getting all the sister chains, side chains, whether it's getting fragmented. What I want to highlight, the main thing about EOS is EOS community. That defines the strength of a blockchain. Blockchain is an open source project, and this is the kind of community efforts we are seeing. What we are doing, and thanks a lot for Alex to come all the way from Canada. He's running this workshop in San Francisco Bay Area. Thanks a lot to Colin to come here and join these efforts. And again, thanks to Shaheen from EOS Blocksmith, Rose, to support these efforts we are making to educate developers and bring more new people into EOS.io development. So if you are in San Francisco Bay Area, if you are following us, and if you're interested in developing, do join us. And this is our first workshop. We are going to continue this in near future. Do contact us if you're interested. We are also going to be announcing the developer initiatives around how we are going to connect you to mentors and investors. We are starting the accelerator for EOS.io dApps right here in Silicon Valley, and look forward to more of you to join. Thank you once again for watching and to following our channel, and do help us and I think spread. I think what you can do for EOS is spread the word and try and bring more developers into the ecosystem. Thank you. Bye-bye.